Good afternoon. Yes, yes, my student. Today I am going to discuss about website usability and accessibility. So, website, how much it is usability based on the customer, and accessibility. This also some major point I am going to discuss. The usability tips are there. So, in this simple test for the website usability, designation and overlap, and then accessibility and usability. And accessibility includes, and then definitions of usability, and remember user goal, remember site goal, avoid unnecessary instructions, provide logical navigations and interactivity, and design for consistency. Do not overuse animation. Because of that, that will take more memory space and memory. Use sound sparingly. Target low bandwidth user and test for usability. This is the usability and accessibility tips. So in this usability and accessibility tips, this information is I got the information from W3C website. What is accessibility? General meaning of accessibility and usability. Here, the closely related to the aspects in creating a web so that work for everyone. Accessibility and usability, it is closely related to the aspects in creating web. So the slight difference only have that accessibility and usability that work for everyone. Their goals, approach and guideline overlap significantly. So most of the effective to address them together with designing and developing the website application. Here, if you are going to develop website, it is effective to address them together. That is for accessibility and usability. Designing and developing your websites. So websites and applications, it is most useful and the effective to address them together, and ask user to answer to factual questions based on the website information. User means client. You have to ask the any doubt you have. So then you ask questions to the user or client. Ask user to answer two task-oriented questions. Two task-oriented questions. Two factual questions based on the website informations. And ask user to answer two task-oriented questions from the website. And share the subjective impressions about the ability of the website content to meet their needs of the interview setting. So the every website, it is for the access of customer to monetary benefit of the client or users. So that purpose only we are developing business purpose or otherwise some social related information uploading purpose, banking purpose, lot of informations day to day they are uploading Wikipedia also. Have the user complete a post-test survey regarding their overall experience. Post survey, not free survey, post survey. And distinction and overlap. Here it is a distinction is source and designation. No, it is the distinction address discriminatory aspects related to the equivalent user experience for people with disabilities. So the web accessibility means the people with disability can equal perceive, understand and navigate and interact with the websites and tools. Here, so the perceive to use websites and tools, that is the accessibility, major usability. Usability about the design product to be effective, efficient and satisfying the users or client. The usability includes user experience design. So the general aspect of impact everyone and do not disproportionately impact people with disabilities. Usability practice and research often does not sufficiently address the needs of the people with disabilities only. It is in basic definitions of the usability and as well as accessibility. Here, accessibility and usability primarily focus on the people only, people with disabilities. So the accessibility means the people with disabilities. The many accessibility requirement improve the usability for everyone, especially in limiting the situation. For example, some contrast benefits people using web on a mobile device in bright sunlight or dark room. The benefit of people is noisy and quiet environment. Some peoples have age-related functional limitations and may not identify these as disabilities. Accessibility addresses the situation. Accessibility includes, before that we'll see the examples of the website usability and as well as accessibility. So here in this example, always say about disability. Here the usability means the website, tool, technology and designing and development so that the people with disabilities can use them more specifically. People can perceive, understand, navigate and interact with the web, contribute to the web. Here it is in exactly web we are discussing about generally what is accessibility and usability. Now it is web accessibility. So here web accessibility means website and website development Dreamweaver. It is say for example tools and technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is designed the development so that the people with disabilities can use, more specifically people perceive, understand, navigate and interact with the web, contribute to the webs. Here the principle of the web usability principles, the user centered design, both the design and development process are focused around the prospective users to make sure their goal, mental model and requirement are met. So that is the usability principle to build product that are efficient and easy to use. Here examples, I already say about examples. It is refer to the design product, and accessibility example always the product and environment for people disabled. Example include wheelchair, so anyway ramp, hiring aid, and then barley sings in the IT world. Accessibility of describe the hardware and software designed to help those who experience disabilities. This is an examples of accessibility. It is design of product. If you are use HTML, DSS and JavaScript, you design of product and environment for people disabilities. So especially that is then major examples. Some examples wheelchair and all given. So wheelchair and all, it is a hand moving, right, left, straight, hand moving options only. That is also accessibility. One more examples for the accessibility. And the accessibility includes, the two includes are there. One is requirement are technically and related to the underlying code rather than the visual appearance. So in this example, website work well with assistive technology. So this include screen reader that read aloud. So that is for simpler, plainly content. So the allowed, the meaning is similar, and then plainly content. And the screen magnifies that enlarged content. The voice recognition software used to input the text is another for the assistive technology. These aspects typically not focus of the usability research and practice. So here major the important role, it is a requirement, accessibility requirement. So previously we were discussed about accessibility often describes the hardware and software designed to help those who experience disability. So that is the requirement. That is the requirement. And then requirement related to user interactions and visual design. Inadequate design so can causes significant barrier for the people disabilities. So interactions and visual design only. So the requirement that related to user interaction and visual design, that particular requirement, inadequate design can causes significant barrier for people with disabilities. And why they are included? So because of understandable instruction and feedback for the website form and application is a good usability. They also help people to cognitive and learning disabilities. Here it is in definition for usability as. So some ISO standard for the define usability, ISO 9241-11. This extent to which a product can be used to specified user to achieve specified goal and efficiently and with satisfaction in the specified context of use. It is an important points for usability. This could address accessibility when Then the usability, so it got to address accessibility when specify the user include people with range of disabilities. How much the range? 30%, 40%. The specified user include the people with range of disabilities. Specified contexts of use include accessibility considerations such as assistive technology. And usability practice and research often does not consider the needs of people with disability. The usability practice. So this usability and accessibility, it is in software engineering. Usability separate units are there. Here it is web development. It is a small topic. What is usability? What is accessibility? How much the disabilities is managed based on the goal. The usability advantages of usability metrics. Here track progress between release and you can assess your competitive position and help you make stop or go decision prior to the product launch, and they can serve as the basis of bonus plan for design manager. Track progress between the release and assess your competitive position. So this track progress means how much the website is completed and assess your competitive position. So 75%, 80% like that. They help to make stop or go decision prior to product launch. So this about 2 points will help to go decision prior to the product launch and can serve as a basis of bonus plan if effectively completed and also product are also launched without any problem. Then immediately basic bonus plan for the design, announce the basic bonus plan for the design manager or web manager. Usability performance measure. This all specific point. Performance measure only time to learn, speed of performance, user error rate, and retention over time, and subjective satisfaction. Here, all the informations anyway you are getting from your client. After getting the client, you have to enough time to learn and speed of your performance. After learn, immediately you start website development. No, that is the speed of performance. User error rate, they give some wrong informations. How much they give? 20%, 15%. User error rate and retentions over time. So retentions over time means how long it going to rectify the user rate. And subjective satisfaction. In subjective satisfaction about the web, so you know very well in HTML and CSS is enough. Backend some databases is that you know very well means subjective satisfaction is over. How many users do you need to measure? Here once qualitative testing. So after completion of coding, before launching the code, it is obtained data from 3 to 5 users. So 3 to 5 users need to measure. So once you measure, you got some defective, some error, so you can redirect to the web developer. If you are collecting quantitative data, you should test 20 or more users. Quantitative data, so there quantitative testing only 3 to 5 users is enough. Data, so if they are going to generate invoice, if they going to display some product items, item wise price, so that need collective quantitative data, you should test 20 or more users. Measuring success, so the percentage of improvement can be useful. The time to complete task in old and new design, so the percentage of implement can be useful. Several percentage improvement score or maybe combined by computing their geometric mean, and geometric mean in nth root of the product of n numbers. This is the measuring success. So measuring means percentage of completed, percentage of improvement, and because of that improvement, how that completed the task in old and new design. What are the accessibility concerns? Low visual acuity and color brightness and deafness, language impairments, and cultural differences. This is the accessibility concern. Low visual acuity and brightness, color brightness, that two. Language impairment also one of the important accessibility concerns. Actually brightness, color brightness, you have to give accordingly at the time of development. Low visual acuity also, it is not visible to see the website informations. And language impairment also, it is one of the accessibility concern, but it is not there. It is very difficult to. Deafness also, it is very difficult. So because of this, the accessibility concern, this 4, it is very important. So to not visible to see, but make page more accessible. The reach as many readers as possible, automation tool and search engine work better. Concerned over customer alienation. Here make a page more accessible. So here reader as possible, many readers as possible, reach. So that accessibility should reach many readers as possible. Automation tool, Dreamweaver and search engine work better. So these two, it is not working better, it is slow means, if because of network problem, so you are not able to reach that much efficiency. Accessibility also. Concern over customer alienation. Customer alienation means the customer expectation, it is reached, but it is not up to level. Accessibility strategy, adhere to accessibility guidelines. So some guidelines are there, you have to listen. Based on that only, you have to do all the things. Test for the accessibility, compulsory, it is required. Test for the accessibility. Provide alternate page to accommodate user with varying needs. Alternate page to accommodate user with varying needs. Client, they want some varying needs. You can alternate the page. No other testable for the accessibility also. So some guidelines are there. Based on the accessibility guidelines, you can follow the test for the accessibility. So accessibility. Then accessibility guidelines part 1. So here table are fine if they read left to right, top to bottom. Tables are fine. Accessibility guidelines part 1. 2 guidelines, 1 testability. Based on that, text column are okay if the spacing works in various environment. That is for fancy stuff, fancy look, animation, graphics, fonts, style sheets, as long as page is functionally with these options turned off. Provide alt text for the graphics. Graphics and animation, you can use alt text for the graphics. Make image map client side. Provide usable text link. So click, if not click here, then if you click the link, you can get some related information. If you are not click no, so you are not get any information. Make the image map client side. Accessibility guidelines part 2. Good keyboard navigation and alternative for control and applets. Frame notification majorly here provide reasonable non-frame option only. So the accessibility guidelines to non-frame accessibility. Be aware of useful format. Avoid scrolling margin. Provide title name for most objects. Testing accessibility. So testing as this all you follow, not turn off the graphics, turn off sound, turn off style sheets, high contrast options choose. Use large font size, resize browser window, navigate using keyboard, select all the text and copy into the clipboard, paste elsewhere, use specialized browser or analyze tools. These are the important disabilities, testing for the accessibilities. If you follow these rules and regulations, you will get easy accessibility. So that's all in accessibility and usability. Usability means how much efficiently the customer using the website. Both are similar. So already I explained the examples. Both are, it is similar only. So not much difference, small similarity only, accessibility and usability. Okay, so in this once some basic programming. So this is for practical class. Once programming started in virtual lab, you will get some idea. So based on that, based on the idea, you can write some example and explanation. So that is the important. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening.